we are going to explore the Heritage Museum of Nothengpi. Come on. Look, 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 look. Say hi. Our studio. Kirby Youth Festival since 1974. The first Kirby Youth Festival on 27 December 1947. 27 to 29 December 1947 in Kirby Club Tifu. And second, it was 13 to 15 December in 1975. Up to 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 20, 16 to 19 February in 1994 at Taralangso. This is for the first time at Taralangso in 1904. It's Mori Temple. Mori Temple. Good. You think we're good? Archaeological heritage. Food productions and elite activities. And this is called a Kirby cultural forketang. English preparations of alcohol. That a children Munsinasang 9 handfuls of rice skin covers with banana leaves, signifying the giving of life. Yes. And this is the Hampton traditional Kirby house. A traditionally Kirby house is made primarily of bamboo and thatch. Hara, Ha, Langpong, Korbong, Gur, Longkok and Lempung, Taton Soup, and Juhu. Sekarkia the one. Sekarkia the one. And Arnam Abongkrok. We put let's go to the one cup soya, Germany, half turkey, I pull on so everything, Humby, Indonang, Batulipiap, Sonseri Kechibun, everything. Will come, will come, and we just cool. Thôi. Okay, we are in the first step. Let's go to the upstairs. What is this? A hack? Everything. More. Okay. Say bye. Say bye. I hope you enjoy the view right now, right here. The view is V at 360. Everywhere green, 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 white, white, white. Nhà đây rung rinh na bộ. Không nào xếp đi à? Ini jadi masih open nanti. Di? Nanti close ya. Nanti BPR nih loh, aku kayak. Di lana nih bang ya, kan lo, tan mambiar nih sih bang close.